The quality of self-love seems quite obvious, but I'm sure you can provide an even deeper insight into it about the benefits of that.
In some ways, it's pretty simple. Like it's like exactly like what it sounds. The quality of self-love, you know. But see, that quality of self-love, see, it is to love yourself. It's massive, you know. It's massive. Do you understand how massive it is? Very few people on the planet truly love themselves deeply, deeply. Like honestly, out of 1 million people, you'd be lucky to have 100 people that truly love themselves deeply. You know, love every aspect of themselves, their body, their heart, their past, their present, their future. Love, you know, their whole being. Love every aspect of them. You know, you'd be lucky to find, you know, 100 out of 1 million people, really. So when you have that quality, you know, like when you really wear something, a crystal, anything, that constantly being infused into your being, like that feeling of self-love, you feel good. You feel good, you know, like it does something to you, you know. You walk around a bit differently, yeah.